And yeah, if you like this content, let me know if you want to see more of the off-road stuff, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you. How's it going? Day 6 of doing 45 breaths or less over a 30-minute period. This is actually not day 6 in a row. I didn't record any content yesterday. I did do breath work, not this stuff, just some regular meditations, and I've been beating myself up about not actually doing it, but we're back at it. Here we go, and we're going to jump right into our breath work, starting with the deep exhale.